Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another tutorial video for PC. And today I'm going to show you how you can download Visual Studio Code on your Windows 11 or on your Windows 10 for completely free and the updated version. So without any delay, let's start our video. First of all, go to your browser. Any browser will do. I'm using my Chrome browser and type on the search bar Visual Studio Download and enter. And here you can see on the second option, it may be on the first option for your browser, the second option Visual Studio Code and their official website code.visualstudio.com. Click on that option, and after clicking that, it will bring you to this page. And here you can see for Windows and Linux and also for the Mac, and this is for Windows 10 and 11. As I'm using Windows 10, I'm just going to click here, and the download will automatically start on your PC. As you can see, my download has already started, but I already downloaded this one earlier, so I'm not going to download it. So I'm going to go to the folder that my downloaded software is containing. Just go, and here it is, my my Visual Studio Code setup, and double click that option, and it will take, and click this, I accept the agreement. Click here and click next, and here the directory of the folder, you can change it by clicking the browse, but I'm going to choose the default option. Just click next and click next, and here there are some boxes that have been clicked and others that are not. You can see additional icon, create a desktop icon, just like any other software. If you click this, it will create a Visual Studio desktop icon. So I'm going to click it, and I'm also going to click this one, add open with code action with Windows Explorer file context menu, and also add open with code action to Windows Explorer directory content menu. Yeah, you can choose you can choose it to not click it, but this is the best way to install this. Just click next and stop, and it will take a few minutes depending on your PC. Just wait a little bit. As you can see, my installation is complete. Just click finish, and the software is off and running, and this is the interface of the software. And welcome, and you can choose any theme from this software, like the dark modern, the light modern, the dark high contrast, light high contrast. So I prefer dark modern, so I'm going to select this. This is the video. I hope this video helps you in installing Visual Studio Code, and I will catch you guys on the next video.